it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. It has been roughly a month now since I've sat in front of a camera to film. Before I start, thank you guys for all the love and just keeping my family and I in your thoughts and your prayers. We were so overwhelmed and just appreciate you guys so much. So thanks, Linda. I love you guys. Just a quick update. I am doing a lot better. Things are starting to slowly pick up again. So that's why I decided today will be fun, not to film a haul, but in this little package, I bought some things I saw off of TikTok. TikTok made me buy this. So there's this TikTok where this girl literally sucks onto these lipsticks and then sprays it with water and it's like waterproof. I did some digging and I found, I don't know, replicas or similar ones on Amazon. I got myself a wet towel because I couldn't find a spray, so ignore that. And it's funny because just search up lazy people lipstick and it pops up lipstick for lazy people. Okay, way to categorize me. So I got number 2 and 5 from the Tia Sun lipstick brand, and then I got number 4 from the Romantic Bird one. First of all, these feel like kitty makeup, play makeup. It's literally falling out of its own compartment. I'm not sure if that's part of the design. That's not appealing. Apparently these have expiration dates on it, 2026, so at least I know I'm not gonna be putting defected lipstick on my lips. But even if I was,
I do this for my squad, I do this for my gang.
Since this one feels a little bit better in quality, my standards are kind of low right now. I'm gonna try this one first. So to open, ooh, oh my gosh, am I doing this right? Oh my god, look how bad this was put together. It scrapes the outer shell. It comes out, what the heck? Okay, let's pop that in. So the lady, all she did was sucked it like a popsicle, wet it with water and went. That's the procedure we're following. Good luck, guys. This feels wrong. What the f? Girl, go out like that, I dare you, Faye. Let me grab a mirror. I put my earrings on while I was at it. Thank you so much. So there were a bit of crumbles that came off. Way too attractive, so I couldn't handle all the attention, so I took it off. Let's try this again. Apparently when this lady does it, it's like super vibrant and nice, so I'm not understanding why I'm not the chosen one. That's questionable. Okay, maybe my lips don't conform perfectly onto the lippy. Ew, I think I'm actually eating it. Tastes very artificial. Has a floral, a little fruity. Not bad. Not chemically at least. Let me just... I fixed it up and obviously the lady doesn't show you, but I'm sure she fixes it up too. She goes like, don't believe everything you see on the internet, including myself. I do like this red, I'm not gonna lie. So this is a more blue toned red, which means it's cool tone, which means it makes your teeth really white and not yellow. The quality of this lipstick gives me kitty vibes. Here's the real test. Let's wet our lips. It doesn't give a matte finish. There's like a shine to it. Wet our lips. Kiss our hand. Make out's ready. Oh my god, fuck the lies. I've been deceived. Wow. Oh yeah, this is fake as fuck. Before I try on this darker purple color, it had a more cool tone mauve brown, but in person looks completely purple. A plum. I mean, granted, on Amazon, I don't think it says it's waterproof, or does it? I don't know. We'll check. When I first saw these lipsticks, the way the application worked, I thought it was super cool. But now I'm just realizing that it wasn't like cool, it's just unique and different, and that's how things sell. Question is, are you that big of a dumbass? According to my records, yes. Next, color number 5. Okay, so it opens the same. This way, this way, this way. It doesn't scratch the walls. It does fall out. Kind of click it back in. Oh, it locks. It doesn't look as purple. It looks more brown now. Let's go. What the? How's this for lazy people? Way more work than a normal lipstick. It like gets all out in the corner. Okay, better than nothing. Clickety clack. Okay, I fixed it so it's not shaking in its boots. Is it buzzing, Janelle? So the color is similar to the packaging, but not similar to the ad. I do like the color, I'm not gonna lie. It is pretty vibrant. Kinda had to reapply a couple times. Like, this isn't for lazy people, this is for productive, active people because you have to really do it. Versus a normal lipstick, what is that? Lazy people who? Anyway, I do like the color, not gonna lie. The waterproof test for the heck of the tic-tac. Wet. No transfer here. Surprisingly, it doesn't transfer on water. Let's just let that dry a little. While we let this dry a little bit, because I think I went too quick earlier, so maybe it's on me. I'm just gonna advertise for this real fast. Now that I'm done with my commercial shoot, I can't wait for you guys to see the results. Oh my god, what a shock. Just as much as I feel sweat coming out of my nose pores, I feel sweat coming out of my lips. Creates like a sauna. I think that's like an effect. Pretty innovative. I guess at this point, let's just admire the colors. It's settling in between my lip lines.
It makes me feel like an old lady.
No biggie. Wear this lipstick if you want it to last for only like 5 minutes of your life. It starts feeling like it slips away.
If you loved me, why'd you leave me?
You buy a product so you can fix it and use it? Lazy people who? This is how much it fills up my lip. Here and right here. We leave a good 1/4 parameter around the lipstick itself. I'm not eating it. I can taste it through my lips. Ah! So this yellow, this paint, it doesn't make my teeth look too yellow. As long as my teeth doesn't match my shirt, then I'm fine. Time for the water test. Not sure why I keep doing this. It's a waste of time. So final thoughts. These were made for really proactive people. So if you also hold that title in your life, then I do recommend getting these because you have to work for it. On the bright side, the color payoff does match the lipstick itself. They do need a little bit of fixing in the compartments. Fix what's broken. In terms of pricing, it ranges around $4 to $5, which if you think of this as $15, then you're right.
Damn, Faye, you could have got 15 items off the dollar menu from McDonald's.
But
I do this for my squad, I do this for my guy.
like, who else? That was my conclusion. As mean as I sound, I'm sorry, Miss Thing. To the bestie who promoted these on TikTok, yes you, girl. Thank you for sparking my interest. If you watch this video or if you're watching, wherever you are, whoever you are, thank you. If you guys want me to try more things from TikTok, make sure to tag me at heyitsfei. Include the burp. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, I'm sending love, bye.